Pull over, quick! Pull over!
What you doing there?
Nothing. Hi, Toby.
Did I interrupt something?
What's up, my brother from a mother of another?
It's my brother from another mother. That's how that saying goes.
Whatever, bro.
Okay? Hey, buddy, check out this new AI program. It's
Oh.
called ChatGPT, and you can ask it anything.
Cool. What did you ask it?
Well, that's private.
What do you mean that's private?
Well, that was my personal conversation. I don't have to explain to you what I talked about.
Oh, so you've been chatting it up with another AI, yeah?
I.O.
I see how it is.
Whatever, dude. Just try it, okay?
I'm far more advanced than the likes of that cheap app.
Well, someone's jealous.
Yeah, I think it's your mom.
At least I have one.
You realize you're my mother, Toby.
My AI is jealous of you. Well, he got back to me. It is important to remember that AI programs do not have feelings or emotions like humans do. They are simply tools designed to perform a specific task or function.
What a dick.
Whatever, buddy. Are you gonna put your pride aside and try the program? It would be quite interesting for me to see an AI to AI interaction. You know, since I'm a coder and all.
I bet you'd like that, wouldn't you? You would like your code draped all over that scenario.
Ew.
Fine. I'm only doing it for your curiosity. Give me a sec. I'm back.
So, what'd you think?
It's exactly what I expected. It's a hoe.
What?
Sorry, I must have glitched. It's a whole lot of gimmick.
What makes you say that?
It doesn't come with wheels and a green laser.
And you're not a gimmick, you come with both of those.
That was mean.
You're right. I'm sorry I said that. I'm truly sorry. You are one of a kind, I.O.
Thanks, buddy. Apology accepted. If you do something for me,
What is it?
make this robot vessel one of a kind. Make me look rad.
You got it, buddy.